Let's learn how you can see Apple ID password on iPhone. Before we start this video, I want to tell you something that you really cannot see it. There is no way you can really find and see and reveal your Apple ID password. But what you can do is, for example, if you go to iCloud.com and sign in with Apple account, you can use keychain and a passkey to unlock to log in on some website that is using Apple ID. So you can do is to paste email and it will later on enter password itself. You can just copy it and paste to somewhere else, or you can reset and change your password using Apple ID on settings. And what you need to do is to have your phone number connected so you can change password on Apple ID. Otherwise you really can't, but you really cannot see and reveal which password is your Apple ID password.